Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you are in the world. It's Anna here. For those of you that don't know me, I've already said my name. My name is Anna. I am a manifesting mindset coach, and I help entrepreneurial women shift their perspective and their awareness of their consciousness in order to be able to manifest what they truly desire. And on that journey, we also release the limiting beliefs that are stopping them from getting what they want. So, hey Nikki, beautiful. Thanks for the hearts. Hi, gorgeous. So today I want to talk to you about finding your bliss. Now, why is this important? Now, I remember reading this in, this is a great book if you're interested. Here's Seeing the Light. Light is the New Black by Rebecca Campbell. This book really has really inspired me, and I've got the printed copy, and I also listen to the audio version in the car heaps and heaps of times, because this blog or this video that I'm doing today, it was inspired by this book. So finding your bliss and why it's important. Now, we all like certain things. Some of us like, well, we're all different. We're individual pieces of artwork, in my opinion, and there's no two of us that are alike. Hey Adam, welcome to the call. There's no two of us that are alike. So here's the thing though, you need to tap into the things that are unique to you that you like. You've got to work out. Hi Dolls, how beautiful. Thanks Adam. Hi back. So what makes your heart sing? What do you enjoy? What do you like being around? What do you like being surrounded in? Now, you've got to work out what makes you happy, because most of us are living a life on autopilot. So much so that we're just constantly in doing modes that we're really forgetting about our authentic selves and who we are and what we enjoy. The things that we enjoy are there to light us up. The things that we enjoy having around us are there to make our heart sing. Now, what happens when your heart sings? Okay, so here are some benefits of tapping into what you love having around you. I'll give you an example sort of thing, what I love having around me. I love crystal pens. So here's a Swarovski pen. I always have that around me. I love this. Oh, I don't even have it on. Oh my goodness. I have it on every day, but I took it off. It's a Swarovski crystal bracelet, and I wear it every day because it makes my heart sing. I love fairy lights. Interior design. Yes, I used to work in the interior design industry too, Adam. I was a color consultant. Loved it. I love interior design, and I love being in spaces that where I'm surrounded, where I feel like I'm in a hotel, in opulent, beautifully designed and styled areas. I love that too, Adam. Beautiful. So I love fairy lights. I have fairy lights everywhere. I have fairy lights out on my pergola, and whenever they're on, they just make my heart sing. It elevates my emotion. It makes me feel amazing. So let's talk about the benefits of you finding what makes your heart sing, what lights you up, and why it's important for you to have that around you. Okay, so it gives your heart what it needs. Okay, when you're around something, hey Sal, when you're around something that makes you feel good, it lights you up. The whole purpose of your journey on this time, space, reality, your life, this planet, this moment is about feeling good. You need to seek out what it is that makes you feel good and be surrounded in that. Have that around you as much as possible. So here's some other benefits of being in that environment. Okay, so things will start to flow. You will be in the flow of life because you won't have resistance to, or you won't have as much resistance to things when you're surrounded in things that you love, that light you up. You'll live in a state of appreciation. You will uncover a deeper sense of worthiness. You will be open to receiving. These are all the benefits of being surrounded with things that you love, or having something, or doing something every day that you love. And I'll give you some examples of that in a moment. So you will be open to receiving. Your heart and your energy will expand. When you feel good, your consciousness, your awareness expands. Okay? You'll be less likely to react to things. Important. You'll feel fulfilled. when you have those little things that are around you that make you feel good, you will feel fulfilled. You'll be a beacon of happiness. You will start to appreciate more of the little things. Like when just by looking at this Swarovski crystal pen, it makes my heart sing. So therefore I notice more things around me. I'm attuned to the things that bring me joy, the things that make me feel happy and make me feel in touch with my light. What else? You will feel loved. When you're around things that light you up, you will feel loved. You will feel abundant. You will create more spaciousness in your energy field. I already touched on that a little bit. You will be more open to personal discovery you'll be inspired to embrace life, to look at the world from a different perspective. It's really powerful, all this stuff. You will receive more blessings in your life, okay? And you will invite more joy and happiness in your life, and you will also feel more grounded, okay? Now, this is what will happen if you don't be around the things that you love. If you're not around things that light you up, okay, you will repel goodness. So you can imagine being in an environment that you don't like, that you've got nothing in there that brings you joy. You'll repel goodness. Your energy field will shrink. You'll become enclosed. You'll feel overwhelmed and unappreciated. Your awareness will contract. Your awareness will actually repel opportunities, or you'll contract to opportunities. You won't be open to them. You will block joy. You will lose sight of your self-worth. This is how important it is to be around things that you love. So your purpose is to feel good and I've already touched on that. Your purpose is to feel good. Comment below. Tell me one thing that makes you feel good. What do you enjoy having around you? It can be a piece of toast with Vegemite. It can be watching a favorite movie over and over and over again. I've watched the Louise Hay You Can Heal Your Life documentary. I think I've probably watched it 25 times. It lights me up. It makes me feel whole. It makes me feel complete by watching that information and listening to inspirational things. What else? So, and this is how you also you're open to manifesting the things that you desire, because you're in flow. You're in flow of life because you have these little trinkets or little things around you, or your favorite meal, or your favorite pajamas, your favorite doona, whatever. It lights you up, okay? So you're open to more of attracting things. Remember, I've said this many times as well, the universe or your life is a mirror to the feeling, to how you feel. When you're around things that make you feel good, then you open yourself up to receiving more things that make you feel good. So here's a few things that light me up. I'll show you in my journal. I've got almost 3 pages of stuff that light me up. I've got some more on the other page. I'll give you just some examples. Okay, as I said, I love fairy lights. I love slipping into meditation. I love soft background music. That really lights me up. It makes me just feel mellow, and it makes me feel like I've been hugged by the universe. Every morning when I get ready for work or get ready for the day, and I'm in the shower or in the bathroom, in the shower, I have relaxation spa music. It's just gorgeous. What else do I like? I've said crystal pens. I love hotels. I love teaching and inspiring others. That lights me up. I love luxurious hotels. I've been to 5-star hotels around the world. I love travel. I love candles. I love a great wine. I love fresh flowers. What else do I love? I love family meals and getting together with my children and my grandchildren, and hugs and kisses from my grandchildren. I love being on islands. What else do I love? I love peace and quiet. I do love peace and quiet. I love sitting in the sun and just and feeling the sun on my skin, just being present. I love walking barefoot in the grass. I love sitting under a tree. What sort of things do you like? Comment below. Give some people some ideas. Now, write this list of the things that you love as a reminder, as a sort of an anchor, because we get so busy we forget. We forget to do what we love. We forget to do what makes our heart sing. I love going, running around the block early in the morning before the sun rises, and I love having loud music that moves my body. I love that as well. It makes me feel whole. It makes me feel excited. In the Bible, there's a quote that says, "Be ye as little children." And I'm like a big kid. It's so funny. I'm like a big kid. I laugh a lot. I have down times too, but I laugh a lot. I love to get together with people that make me laugh. I have a gorgeous friend, and we cack ourselves when we're together. It's amazing. So I love being around that sort of an energy and environment. So write a list of the things that light you up. Literally sit there with a cup of tea or a glass of wine or whatever lights you up, and write down a list. Write down a list of all the things that make you feel good. Who are you? What do you enjoy? What lights you up? What makes you feel good? And then do one of those things on that list every single day. Nurture yourself. If you don't nurture yourself, then how can the universe nurture you? The universe works through you. How you feel, how you treat yourself is then the reflection that will come back to you. Okay, so I hope that's inspired you to think about what lights you up. I think about these things all the time because I want to feel good all the time, and I want to be able to manifest the life of my dreams, and feeling good is the doorway to manifesting what you desire. So guys, I have a coaching program called Manifest Intensive. It's a one-on-one coaching program. If you feel called to work with me, it's a 8-session coaching program that is run over a 4-week program, so 2 sessions a week, so that we can get you moving quickly with momentum to manifest what you desire. If you're interested in finding out more information, comment interested below and I'll send you some information on that. Otherwise, have an amazing evening or day wherever you are, morning, and write the list of the things that light you up. Get to know who you are, because the world will serve you, the universe will serve you when you do. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.